Hello there, it's Abhinav Niraula. I'm back here with my new video. The onslaught of the continuous IPL thrillers is going on in the current edition of IPL. It's time for us to get ready for another possible thriller that is going to take place between two teams that have looked comparatively weaker in this tournament so far, Kings 11 Punjab and Sunrisers Hyderabad. Let's preview this all-important clash. Do like, share and comment down below. Subscribe to my channel as well. On 8th of October 2020, this encounter is going to take place at the Dubai International Stadium, Dubai. This venue has been producing a number of 200-run encounters throughout this tournament. The pitch conditions of this Venice pitch during the course of this tournament haven't been supporting bowlers at all. Honestly, except boundary dimensions, nothing really have assisted the bowlers. A lot of grass alongside the presence of proportionate moisture. Well, that pitch is definitely a belter. Paces in the first couple of overs only shall be a commodity. Both these teams like to post some total and then defend it afterwards. Plus, almost 95% of the matches that have been played in this venue during the course of this tournament have been won by the team that batted first. Expect the toss winners to opt to bat first. Kings 11 Punjab. Lokesh Rahul captain and wicket keeper, Chris Gayle, Mayank Agarwal, Mandeep Singh, Nicholas Puran, Sarfaraz Khan, Krishnappa Gautam, Ravi Bishnoi, Mujib-ur Rahman, Mohammad Shami and Hardus Viljoen. After these many losses, KXIP might finally bring in their star players into the lineup. Expect around 4 changes to take place in this lineup for this matchup. The Universe boss Chris Gayle and the mystery man Mujib-ur Rahman are expected to finally jump in and showcase their form in which they have been post-COVID-19 break. Once again, Maxwell has failed big time for KXIP. This probably shall be his last year in the KXIP colours. Since Jordan and Cottrell's exclusion shall have no one batting at number 7, they shall need to bring in Gautam compulsorily. This team hasn't been tasting enough success, especially due to very poor management of bowlers by their out of sorts captain. Changes have always been a part of Punjab's characteristics and changes have always led them towards the bottom of the table. Sunrisers Hyderabad. David Warner captain, Johnny Bairstow wicket keeper, Manish Pandey, Kane Williamson, Priyam Garg, Vijay Shankar, Abdul Samad, Rashid Khan, T. Natarajan, Sandeep Sharma and Khalil Ahmed. This side, post Bhuvneshwar's tournament ruling injury, requires a brilliant pacer to lead the attack. Well, they've got 3 choices on the cards: Stanley, Holder and Khalil. With the quota of foreigners fulfilled quite easily, the expectations of the entrance of the former two is very minimal, so Khalil Ahmed is expected to come in. Vijay Shankar shall also come in to strengthen this team in all 3 departments. Abhishek Sharma's greater role in this side is to finish games, but he hasn't been doing that stuff that efficiently. Shankar, an Indian international, can offer enough resilience at the back end. In front of Chris Gayle, they wouldn't want to play Abhishek for sure. Well, if Christopher is in, expect both Rashid and Natarajan to face a tough time. If the pillars of SRH's bowling lineup get disturbed, just imagine what shall happen to the confidence of other bowlers. Expect the new entrances in the KXIP lineup to strengthen the team up. Hence, KXIP shall most probably run away with today's encounter. Take care.